Yeah, that is absolutely correct, Esme. So why do we think that that is going to be relevant to the exam that is coming up? Right, sorry, guys, just give me a second. Boys, I'm sorry, but I am trying to teach year 11s who have got their GCSE exams coming up, okay? And at the moment, all we can hear in this classroom is the noise that you are making. Where is your teacher at the moment? They haven't got the key to the classroom. Okay, well, can you have a bit of respect for those of us who are already teaching our lessons, please? Thank you. I'm not impressed with you. Not impressed, boys. Right, sorry about that, folks. So, did we have time to think about the